So hi, Alicia. I'm excited to have this conversation and just to chat a little bit about you and your business and being part of our last Build Your Business class. So could you start by just telling us like where were you as far as your business was concerned before you started taking Build Your Business? Like how did you get started?
So I've never been a salesperson, and so my business was non-existent before I went through all this. Um, just didn't have a lot of confidence with selling, and so there was just nothing.
Started at zero.
Right.
Sure. So where are you now? Could you describe your business on the other end of the class and where are you at? What are you doing?
Yep. So I have lots of product, and I have mastered a few things. I wouldn't say mastered, but gotten much better at things. As far as like labels, just having more confidence to be able to sell and, just keep being creative and making new product.
Okay. Have you sold soap?
I actually have, yes.
Okay. There you go. That's a good confidence builder too. Just haven't done it some. That's awesome. So what made you want to start a business? Like what's your motivation behind even getting started here?
So I've, made products that I think are good and, um, but just never like known how to get out there and doing it. Never knowing like what the rules were behind selling or, labeling your product. Um, and it's always fun to be able to make some money with something that you enjoy doing.
Hmm.
And it's a way to be, for me, it's a way to be creative and do something uh, not so serious as what I do for work and things.
Sure. That's awesome. So then what made you sign up for Build Your Business for the course? Like what was that final thought that made you go, yeah, this is something I need to do?
Uh, I was one of the ones that pondered it like really hard for a couple days. Why do I even want to put forth the time? How, what kind of effort is there and stuff? But I also felt like it wouldn't just help me with like selling soap. I felt like if I went through the class, it was going to help me with any endeavor down the road if I want what with whatever I wanted to sell. And so the class was at a price where I knew it would have been much more with other, entities and stuff. And so I finally got to the point where I was like, I felt like I would regret it if I didn't do it.
So what was your like what's something that you took away from Build Your Business? Like what was that thing that either sticks in your memory or it was your favorite topic or it was a surprise or like what are some things like that that you remember from the class?
Uh, that having a business is like having a baby. Takes a lot of time. You have to remind yourself to start off small and you're growing this thing, instead of it just magically happening. And it's a lot of work, and as much work and time you put into it is, potentially how successful you're going to be. So if you're not really working at it, then, you're not going to move forward.
Hmm. So would you recommend Build Your Business to others? And then also if you were going to talk to that person who's thinking about it, like they're just contemplating, maybe they've already sold some soap, but they're unsure about building a business, or maybe you're talking to somebody who like this is still an idea way in the back of their head. Like what would you say to those people who are contemplating taking this course?
So I would recommend the Build Your Business because it does give you that sense of direction on where you need to go. But it also gives you the freedom to go at your own pace, and it gives you the freedom to make your own choices. It doesn't say you have to do this or have to do that. It's like, hey, this is what's worked well, but you could certainly, have that freedom to investigate different things.
Hmm.
Um, as far as someone that's contemplating it, like, I would just say, there's always something to learn in life, and it's going to help you now, sell something that you enjoy doing, and why not make some money off of something you enjoy doing, and it would help you for future endeavors.